Mhm. Running message using Arduino. First, prepare the components, the Arduino Uno. The next is the breadboard. The breadboard. Next, potentiometer. The resistor, which is 220 ohms. Next is the LCD or liquid crystal displays, 16:2. Change the value of the resistor into 220 ohms. Let's do the Arduino connections. Let's make 5 volts connection. It will be connected into the positive side of the breadboard. Next is the ground of the Arduino. It's connected to the negative side of the breadboard. Change the color into red. Next is the potentiometer. The terminal 1 is connected to the positive side of the breadboard. The wiper, it is connected into the contrast of the LCD. I'll change it to color black. Terminal 2 connected to the negative side of the breadboard. Change it to color green, red. Make connections in the negative side of the breadboard, which is connected to the negative also, and then positive to positive. Next is the cathode, negative side of the breadboard. Next is the VCC, positive side of the breadboard. Same as the register connect. Register. Enable positive side of the breadboard, same as what we do in the register. Change it to color turquoise. Color brown. Next is the cathode. The V7, positive side of the breadboard. Change it to color purple. The V6, same as the V7. Next is the V5 and the V4. D12 is connected to positive side of the breadboard. D12 connected sa register in the LCD. Next is DV11 connected into the LCD. Same as DV5, DV4, DV3, and DV2. In the LCD connections, the anode is connected to the positive side of the breadboard, and then it is also connected to the resistor, which is 220 ohms. Next, same as what we do in the previous. I'll change it to color purple. I make a code already, and I will copy and paste it so that it will be fast. So there. I will copy all of this to make it easy. So let's proceed to the code. Text, continue. I will erase this. I will copy and paste my code. So because we use the LCD, we need to put this liquid crystal, that H. Next, I will check my code. As you can see, the Arduino used 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2. We have the void loop, LCD begin, set the display to the column to 16 columns and 2 rows. So we'll check if your output is correct. Start initializing. So I will there. Output.